Guys, this is the CAT का paper का printout. Most of you already have a CAT paper, but in a soft copy. Maybe I'm a old school. I believe in a hard copy. So this week at IIMking, we are taking this as a test. So all the 8 sets of the CAT paper will be giving a 1 hour test. After 1 hour, I have called CAT 99.9 percentiler to come and talk to you regarding how to solve the paper. Yeah. So he will be coming this week and talking to you and solving the paper in front of you. So 2 things we will do out of that. Number 1, the moment you solve this paper hard copy, you will immediately understand what is the kind of a preparation you need or what kind of question come in the CAT paper. Number 1. Number 2, CAT 99.9 percentiler, if he himself is unable to solve these questions, yeah, or he'll tell you this is very tough set you can't solve, or even he can't solve in 1 hour, even if you know the answer, it'll take you 1 hour to solve the question. Then why to waste your time on those questions? Yeah, similarly, I met CAT 100 percentile as well. 2 of them this year have said 2 sets out of 8 sets are nonsense, always nonsense, which are there to break your speed. And if you attempt waste your time on that set, you are gone. Yeah, so this test is available. This test we're conducting in IIMking this week in all the branches. Description box I given the number where you can go and attend the workshop in class. I will also planning to keep this workshop online, but वो कब होगा कैसे होगा I don't know, because they all depend on the availability of that guy. Yeah, so if possible attend the workshop in class, otherwise at least you can download the paper in the description box. I given the PDF paper in a printable format. Please take a printout, because CAT actual paper available which is available by CAT people cannot be printed in a nice format. So I've given you concise format so that you can take a printout with solutions. So please take a printout and solve that question at home, and then attend the workshop so that he can tell you this set was more easy, you should have picked up first, or this set was nonsense. Now looking at the set, I can't tell kaun sa easy kaun sa tough. Maths talk to you, like maths will tell you on the face, beta tu ye question nahi kar payega, you can't solve this question, don't waste your time. And हम सुनते भी है, sorry sir, sorry uncle, मैं नहीं करेगा solve. We present next one and move on. Logic, we can't say that thing. 10-line question at times is much more easier than a 2-line question. Yeah, logic, what normally logic does, he'll call you into the room में लाएगा, lock लगाएगा and then लगाएगा. Fine, because that's logic for you. Quant in that way is more honest while talking to a student. Okay, now jokes apart, in case you want to attend the workshop, description box I given the numbers, please come and attend the workshop. This is by a CAT topper. Yeah, you might find you get a solution. Description में मैं solution आपको दे रहा हूँ. I'm giving you the paper and the solution as well. But CAT is not about able to solve the question. CAT is about strategy. That strategy we are going to discuss this week, and in description box numbers are given. Please call us. All right, all the best.